The eyes is one of the most important parts of the human body. With them, you can see all the beauty that it is within this earth. They even call them the windows of your soul. They transmit all what it is in your soul, your emotions, your feelings. And the eyes involve a lot of mysticism, mystery, and a lot of beauty. And talking about beauty, there's beauty in every place, everything you see. As you can see, I decided to make this painting in a wood block. A normal, insignificant wood block for many, but a piece of art in my eyes, in my sight. And that's why I put these eyes onto this wood block, so I can transmit the idea that the beauty is within the eyes of the one who is looking.
So as you can see, you can practically use any material just to paint a painting. As you can see over here, I'm using just wood, normal wood from scratch, and you can use even cardboard or whatever you want. So don't put that as an excuse. You don't have a canvas, stretch fully canvas. No, you can paint whatever you want.
That's one of the things I love about art. Art is about expression. Art is about you manifesting what you want to manifest, what you want to transmit to other people, no matter the medium, no matter the surface. Art is in the eyes of the artist for him to translate and give to the other people. As you can see, I've been making this painting with oil paints, with my regular brushes. You can use any brush. What I want to achieve in this painting is the texture, as you can see, the richness.
So as you can see, I've been painting the eyes, and it's the most expressive part of the face. I try to make them as expressive as I can. As you can see with the darks, with the lights, there are a lot of things that I have to arrange still. But what I want to tell you is that just don't be so hard on yourself. Don't be that harsh, just do it. Just practice. You'll get better. And that's why you're following this channel, because you want to get better. So don't you worry, just start. Give the first step.
It's interesting how life works. If you want some benefit from something, you need to give the first step. In painting is the same. Try it for the first time. Try new materials, try new surfaces. You will get better eventually. The likeness of my reference, photo reference, by this point, it's important, but it's not as much as important, because what I'm trying to express mainly is what the picture is given to me. So that's why I'm painting with bold brush strokes, loaded with a lot of paint. You need to always load your brush with a lot of paint, a lot of color, in order to give that richness and that texture that the painting should have. I always try to work in my paintings working first with the shadows. Why? Because shadows make the shape of the face, the shape of the portrait that you are trying to make. So that's why I always start with the shadows. Then I go with the midtones, and finally with the lights, which the lights make your painting spark. And that's a great effect to give when you're having fun with your brushes. And as you just saw, yes, I saved my brightest brights for the end. And now just prepare and look the final painting. I encourage you to try to paint someday with a wood panel, with a cardboard. Try different surfaces. You will be amazed, surprised with yourself about what you can accomplish, what results you can have with different surface. As always, have a great day. Thanks for coming. Give it a like, a share, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.